arrived at Waterton National Park for a fun weekend of camping. We've just got to our spot and we're gonna pop up the tent and then see what the rest of the day brings.
In the trick, good to be landed with the boat though.
You excited? Just off to explore the village in Waterton. From a very sleepy camper. We are camping in Waterton National Park, so last night was our first night. Did not get any sleep because I convinced myself that there was bears circling the tent all night, so I've just literally been wide awake waiting for the sun to rise. The sun has rose, I've had a shower, I'm nice and clean and fresh. We're going to get ready for the day, have some breakfast, a coffee, and then we're going to get up to some really fun and exciting things. So I'll take you along with us for day 2 camping at Waterton National Park. Breakfast time. For the dog. What you got? Oh. You having a good time?
I am.
Where are we off to this morning?
That mountain behind you.
That's right. We are gonna go and do Bears Hump,
This lower one.
which is the best view in all of Alberta, if you ask me. So we are super excited. Wildlife along the way.
Some view that.
I know, it's actually insane. had the most fun day, and now we're going to go and get some ice cream. Final day of the camping trip, and we're actually so sad about it because we've had the best time. So I've just got my Alani Hawaiian shaved ice, best flavour, and we are going to go back to Cameron Lee because we really had the best time fishing there yesterday. So we're going to go and do some more of that this morning, maybe do a little walk. We definitely want to visit Red Rock Canyon on the way home, and hopefully see some bears because we are yet to see any, and I am not leaving Waterton until I have seen a bear. So that's the mission today. Let's go. Are you ready? Last stop of the trip before we head home is Red Rock Canyon, which is a pretty cool place. So if you are in Waterton, I would recommend this one. This is what happens when you have little legs. Just at the perfect end to the best trip ever, and we just seen a bear on our way out of Waterton. It has been the best trip ever. My little sunburn's very tired. We've had the best time. And in true Alberta fashion, we've gone from sunshine and sunburn to a storm.
We're riding into it.
I've said it a million times, but I'm going to say it again. We have honestly had the best weekend ever. We done some really pretty hikes, we've seen some amazing views, we've done some fishing on the lake in the middle of the mountains, and it's just been the best. We've seen so many animals and we've just had the best time. And a shout out to my besties, if you're watching this, thanks for a great evening.